Fatima loved her school. Today was the day of the big math test. She had spent all week practicing her numbers and shapes, and she felt ready to do her very best. Ms. Huda walked around the quiet classroom, placing a crisp white test paper on each child's desk. "Remember to take your time," she said with a warm smile. "Honesty is the most important part of learning." The classroom became very still, filled only with the sound of pencils scratching on paper. But suddenly, Fatima heard a tiny rustle coming from the desk next to her. Her friends Zainab and Omar were moving. Zainab nudged Fatima's elbow and pointed to the small scrap of paper. "Look, Fatima," she whispered very quietly. "We have all the answers written down right here. Do you want to see?" Fatima's heart began to thump, thump, thump against her chest. She felt a cold shiver of fear. She wanted to have the right answers, and she didn't want her friends to be upset with her. Then Fatima remembered what her parents and teachers had always taught her. She took a deep breath to find her courage. She looked at Zainab and shook her head firmly. "No, thank you," Fatima whispered back, her voice small but steady. "I cannot join you. Cheating is wrong in Islam, and I want to be truthful to myself and to God." For the rest of the test, Fatima focused only on her own work. It was hard, and she wasn't sure if every answer was perfect, but she felt a strange sense of peace growing inside her. After the tests were collected, Miss Huda asked Fatima to stay behind for a moment. Fatima felt nervous, but Miss Huda's eyes were twinkling with kindness. "I saw how brave you were today," the teacher said softly. "Choosing to do the right thing when others don't is the truest form of bravery," Miss Huda told her. Fatima walked home with her head held high, knowing that being honest was the best grade she could ever earn.